Introducing the 1124A BXB and 1224A BXB Series from Viking Pump. These series are the latest in a line of internal gear pumps featuring the O-Pro barrier seal and are specifically designed for the boxboard or corrugated cardboard industries. Designed with the O-Pro barrier seal, these series prevent leakage, simplify maintenance, reduce downtime, are tolerant of unexpected pressure spikes, and prevent startup issues after an extended shutdown. The 1124A BXB Series is suitable for boxboard applications, including starch and starch adhesives. The 1224A BXB Series is jacketed for wax applications. By integrating the O-Pro barrier seal, BXB Series pumps have best-in-class sealing ability, 2 inner dynamic O-rings, 2 outer static O-rings, and a lubrication barrier keep processed liquid in the pump and the mess off the floor. And by replacing the bracket bushing, there are fewer wear components, simplifying maintenance and reducing downtime. Pressure spikes can be a common occurrence in starch kitchen applications. The O-Pro seal has the ability to withstand those pressure spikes and keep your pump from a catastrophic seal failure. Mechanically sealed pumps also face challenges after a long shutdown. The starch processed liquids tend to set up and seal faces stick, causing a failure. The O-Pro barrier seal with no seal faces can handle a startup after an extended shutdown, so you don't have any surprises on Monday morning. 1124A BXB and 1224A BXB Series pumps also have other important non-O-Pro features that include a hardened steel shaft that is built to last, further reducing the chance of downtime, special clearances to accommodate viscosity fluctuations and minimize shear, and finally, the pump construction is compatible with regular flushing liquids, which simplifies day-to-day maintenance. For various boxboard applications including starch, starch adhesives, and wax processing, Viking Pump has the proven solution. Prevent leakage, reduce wear and maintenance, and protect from seal failure with the new 1124A BXB and 1224A BXB series. To learn more, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.